for making this project Git repository, we need to do first command, that is git init. Okay, so this will initialize the Git. As soon as you do git init, this is a one important command. As soon as you do git init, it will initialize the empty Git repository. Okay, so you can see here .git folder is created. So after that, if you do another command, say for example git branch, so that is also important command. So it will right now showing like, if you do git status, there is a git init, that is for initializing initializing Git in your project first time. If you do git status, it will show the changes like on branch master. By default it will be a master branch. So on branch master, you can see no committed, and this is untracked file, so these changes are not committed. It's showing when we do git status, it will show if any uncommitted changes are in our local. Okay, so here I am doing git branch, that is give a list of branch. So right now master only branch, so that is not only showing that master branch. So let me do another command, git status, so it will show the changes in this file. So let me open this file and do some changes in that. So for now I am adding one line in that. Okay, so I am adding this git learning line 1 in this text file. Okay, so as a part of this text file, I added the changes. So I am doing git status and I am doing git add dot. So this git add dot or git add dot will add all the files ready for committing in your repository. Okay, if you do want to commit specific file, if you have multiple file changes, then you can give a file name also here. Okay, so like git add dot readme.txt, but for now I am doing like git add dot, so it will add all the file ready for commit. You can see untracked file. So now if I will do git status again, so it's saying like this no commits at changes to be committed. Okay, so far it was untracked file, but after doing git add dot, it is ready for commit. Okay, so changes to be committed. So now if I will do get git status, it is showing like this file is ready for committing. So we did git add. Okay, git add command. Now I am doing git commit. So git commit is will commit these changes into our repository. So git commit -m, n means message, like if you want to do any message, my first commit. Okay, so here as soon as we do first time commit, please it is telling us you need to add this identity, because whenever we are doing commit, these things are required, like email and name. So accordingly Git is able to identify which user did this particular change. Okay, so you are able to set this particular configuration. So if you see here git config, there is a command git config -- list. So it will show all the config git configs. So here you can't see that email and name, so that is why it is asking to set that first before doing any commit. Okay, if we do commit, it will not allow us. It is asking us to set this. Okay, so for now I am setting this. So here if you do this -- global, then it will set globally this configuration. But if you want to set globally, means like anywhere you initialize Git, it will apply everywhere in any repository. This is a project one repository. But if you remove that -- global, it will apply to this particular repository only. So right now I am doing repository level Git instead of global. Git config user.email. For now I am giving like your email example.com. Just for a reference, you can give your email. Okay, and this is another command that is for setting the name. So here I am setting the name. Git config, I am not doing global level, again doing repository level, so I am removing that. Name, like you can put your name. Okay, for now I am keeping this your name. So now if you clear this, and if you see here git config list, it will show you that recent added. You can see like this two configuration is recently added: user dot email, that is your email @example.com, and user dot name, that is your name. Okay, so that config is now set. So as soon as you do any commit in this particular repository, that will identify your username and email against that commit. So that track, Git will keep that track. Okay, so if now we see Git status, we have this changes under track, but it is not committed yet. So let us commit it again. This is my first commit. Now it will allow. Okay, so you can see like this is changes are committed. You can see like this is my first commit, one file changed and one insertion. Okay, so this changes is committed. If now we do git status, it will show like on branch master, nothing to commit, working tree clean, means this master branch have no any changes now, because we already committed this readme file recent change. Okay, readme txt change. So if we do git status, it will show nothing to commit, working tree clean. Okay, if we do branch command like git branch command, so you can see like git branch command is listing one branch, like that is a default master branch. Okay, so right now we only have a one branch, git master branch.